I'm Karen Simpson, and I'm the host of the beautiful Dream Rock Silo. Our B&B is a little different because I greet my guests personally. Ours is special because there's no highways zooming by. It's quiet. They hear the creek at night when they go to bed. They get to see stars. We have a fire pit. We sit down amongst the fire pit. If they want to be alone, we just let them be alone. I take care of them. I take a special interest in them. We have chickens. They go up there and they collect the eggs with me, and we give them eggs for breakfast, so they can experience what fresh eggs really look and taste like. We have a garden. If they want to cook out, we have an outdoor kitchen that people cook in, and if they want to get things from our garden, we give them fresh things from our garden. Sit along the creek and read. They sit in a hammock. They just relax. They have a wish list on Airbnb, and people put it on, and that's where they want to go. And we were #1 on the Airbnb wish list. I love taking care of people. I love helping, with their vacations, birthdays, anniversaries, whatever people are wanting me to help them with. If I need to get wine or flowers, I do all that. I think my favorite story is this guy that called me up. He says, I want to propose, and I need you, can you help me? And I'm like, are you kidding me? I live for this. We have in this silo a secret compartment, and we give you clues, and you have to follow these clues to find the secret compartment, and there's a gift for them. So we did a little twist on that one. What we did is we put an additional clue after they found that one that said, congratulations, you found this clue, and if you're willing to go a little bit further for even bigger prize. We created a little poem, and it took them outside onto a bridge under a rock, and there was, she pulled it out, and there was a heart-shaped rock that I had, kind of a decoy that said, we wanted to mark this special weekend for you, so this is your own dream rock. And she turns around, and he's down there proposing, and he has the ring there. The reviews are insane that we've got, and that's what I tell people if they're thinking about booking here. Just go look at the reviews. Don't take my word for it. See what the other guests are saying. Well, I think people come here because they like the peace. And we hear often, this is paradise. This is a slice of heaven. I make sure my guests get what they're looking for because I talk to them ahead of time and I go, what can I help you with? How exactly can I make their stay exceptional?